Hey guys, I'm Sean Buell.
And I'm James White. We're here with Buell Electric.
And we thought we'd put this video together as it pertains to pedestal installations on fixed docks and marinas. So after Hurricane Helene, many of our clients were left with flooded homes. Naturally, their docks were flooded as well. So once pedestals have been flooded, clients were either left with two options, either completely reconstructing their pedestals or purchasing new ones. New pedestal installations were the least expensive of the two options. However, our clients often found difficulty getting an electrician out at the very last minute to disconnect their hardwired pedestals, store them in a dry environment, and then reconnect them after a storm.
So what you're going to see here is two different prototypes that we have here that are quick connect options. We've got the Eaton Lighthouse, we've got the HyPower Power Snap, and they've got screws down here at the bases that are very simple for any dock crew that aren't qualified electricians to come in, remove the screws, flip the bases and remove them, so you can take the expensive part of the pedestal with all the breakers and components for dry storage, like Sean was saying, somewhere high and dry. As he was saying, with electricians not being available 2-3 days before the storm, it can also get very costly paying those rates. Even if you can get one, you have your dock crew come out, men, women alike, can easily remove the screws, do the quick connects. We'll show you as a brief demonstration later. But the money you're going to pay up front on these pedestals is going to save you season after season of having to buy the entire pedestal that's fixed. Having these removable bases is going to come out to be a winner in the long run. We've got Emily doing a disconnect on the HyPower Power Snap. She's removing a couple screws here, 3 screws. You see the 2 here in the front. She's going to remove that base from the top. And this is going to allow us the ability to put a plastic cap on once the top of the pedestal is removed that has all the breakers. That way that can be taken off for safe storage, high and dry. Emily's just going to position herself here, 2 hands on the top, rock it back and forth to pull it up, and then take it off for safekeeping. She's got the plastic cap there that you'll put on, and take those same 3 screws and mount it back in place. So this is during the storm. Once the storm's done and the water's receded, you're going to remove the cap, take the power top, put it back on. The same way we took it off, you just got to line the plastic up, push down, the bus is engaged, and then just put your 3 screws back in. Always remember you want to save power off before you do any of this, but your standard dock master and his crew or even maintenance crew can easily do this. Here again, today we've got the Eaton Lighthouse Power Pedestal. This is actually a prototype that Eaton built for us. They made it clear with the polycarbonate here for a reason, so you could actually see the wiring internally and the complexity of it, and how they're making it simple for anybody, like we did with the HyPower. So when you buy these, they're going to come with that white powder coat polycarbonate finish or the stainless steel with the powder coat finish. We've got 4 screws here on the base that you remove. And it's got a hinge on the back, so we're going to hinge it down. The side here. Now we've got some quick connects here. This is for our 4-wire system coming in, and you'll notice we've got a quick connect that will be utilized as an adder for boat lift connections. So this is for the main power, for the breakers and receptacles, and this is a quick connect that we're going to show you here, but it's very simple. Just a quick turn, quarter turn, and removal of all the conductors here. And now we've got our top half just like we did over there with the power snap that we can remove. We also, Emily has another plastic top that you can put on after you remove it. This will go on and stay on during and after the storm, and it'll be ready to be taken off just like this to reconnect everything. And again, just to show you on the pedestals here, we kind of came up with a mock-up prototype with the boat lift cradles. This is coming off the breaker. And this will be connected to the load side going to the boat lift cradle. And it's a quick connect, so anybody can come in here and do the disconnect. Twist lock for connection, and then when you go to disconnect, there's your boat lift disconnect.